Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today's a quick one. I wanted to show you a few websites and basically what you want to do on these. So here's Hello Bert, and again, if you like anything about this site, I encourage you to take a screenshot. Now, if you're on a Mac, that's easy. It's just Command Shift 4. Then you can draw a little box like that and go, oh, I like the way that that appears. You can say, oh, I like the little menu in the corner here, and you kind of go and explore through these websites. You can scroll through, you can say, oh, I really like how that's working. You can say, oh, I really like what this is, etc., etc. So you're just exploring other people's portfolio sites. You're having a look at how they do it, and whenever you find something that you really, really, really like, oh, there's a sign up for newsletter. I really like that. Just grab a screenshot of it. If you're on a Windows computer, just do print screen, and then you might need to crop it in something like Photoshop or Paint or whatever you want to use. But it's generally just to kind of capture bits and pieces, elements of websites that really inspire you. You can always go back to them and you can kind of go, okay, I wonder how this is, working, and you can inspect element and figure it out then. But from a design perspective, you don't want to look at code. You just want to look at the actual visible parts of the site and explore it that way. Here's another one. This is for Melanie. This is a very kind of popular site when looking at it. As you scroll through it, lots of stuff happens. You might say, oh, I really like how minimalistic this menu is. I'm going to grab that. Then there's the about bit, and you look at that and you go, that's awesome. That's amazing. I love how this works. And then you go, oh, this is interesting. And then you click it and then you go, oh, this is something I really, really, really like. And then you go, how could I kind of, grab some of this stuff? And you go, oh, I really love how this is showing off the different wireframes. So you screenshot that. Or you might really like the close button because it's really cool. So you screenshot that. And it's about exploring these things and just going through, cataloging what it is you like, what you love about it, what you think is amazing, and then at the end of it, pulling it all together into some kind of summary of, okay, this is what I like and this is what I want to do myself. You might like these social media icons, so you'll go, oh, I like how that's in the page. Now, obviously, you can grab the whole page. You can kind of have a look at the whole thing, but it's about experimenting later on and trying to like piece it back together in terms of what you might be doing. And here's the last one I wanted to show off today, which is the beast is back.com. And again, you're looking at some illustrations here and you're looking at the work. And this is the front page, right? So welcome back, here's what I've got, here's my work. And showing off all those cool bits and pieces. Again, if you like the menu, grab the menu along with those other little bits and bobs. These are all the different kind of things that you can explore as well. And again, if you go into the About section, you go, oh, this is interesting. I like how he's done that. So I'm just going to grab this bit and I'm going to say this is really nice. It's really well presented, etc., etc. So in the interest of time, I'm not going to go on. But you collect all these things and you put them aside, and then what you've got is you've got a bunch of these screenshots, right? So whatever screenshot you grab, you've got those, and then you can kind of go through them and go, okay, what did I actually like? What was it that I liked in here? Oh yeah, oh that's right. Oh, I liked that, and that was amazing, and this was really cool, and that was really cool, and I liked this thing, and that was really cool as well. And then there's this menu, and you get the ability to really think about, all right, well, what is it? Is it the font style? Is it the spacing? Is it because it's bold? Is it because, what is the main reason for you liking it? And explore that, write that down, journal it, put it into a PDF, whatever you need to keep track of it and to keep being mindful of why you liked it. And that'll allow you to then craft your own versions, your own kind of exploratory versions. Keep a track of what URL you got it from, so you can always go back and inspect the elements for the actual code if you need to grab the code or borrow the code or at least have a starting point. But generally speaking, explore, Google some portfolio sites, look at what people are doing, and just check it out. And if you find something you like, just screenshot it and put it together somewhere for your notes so that you can refer back to it when you're crafting your own thing. Anyway, that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please leave some comments down below, as always, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.